Good afternoon, everybody. I am in a really good mood. The reason is very simple. The sun is back. We've had rain for the last 10 days, 2 weeks, which meant that I couldn't do anything on my bicycle. I couldn't film anything, but I'm back. So what I'm gonna do now, I want to show you my friend Raymond, who has a bicycle and scooter tour company, which is called Bangkok Tours. And it's just a short walk from the Sapan Taksin BTS station. So I just want to drop in and say hi to him and show you what he's doing. So he has a scooter tour and he has also cooking school. So there's two reasons why you can go and visit him. And I mentioned it in another video already, but we are both from the same city in Holland. So we have a funny connection in that way. And in the first week that I came to Bangkok, I already met this guy. And it was just a coincidence. And it happens to be that we went to the same high school. He was just 1 year higher. And but we never met each other back home. And yeah, so we met here in Bangkok. And this is already around 10 years ago. So Raymond's been here for almost 23 or 24 years. So I'm happy to introduce you to him, and I'm happy to introduce you his business. So he's located at the market here, and if you do a cooking school tour with him, then you go into the market and then you buy some fresh products and then you cook it at his shop. And then what I said, he also has the scooter tours. So here I am, Mr. Raymond. How are you?
Good.
So look what a handsome guy is up there. You cannot really see it very well, but hoe is die jongen? So this is one of the scooters that Raymond uses. So what kind of scooter is this?
Electric scooter.
Electric scooter, but is it a special brand or something, or?
Our own brand. We make it ourselves.
The Go Scoots.
Yeah. You can buy them with smaller wheels, but it's too dangerous. So.
Ah, okay. So you specifically asked them for bigger wheels.
No, they're our own design.
Okay.
We make the frame and tell the factory put this in, that in.
Ah, cool.
Because we have the smaller ones we use, but
okay.
Too many accidents.
So let me show you guys a little bit inside.
Oh, what? About the accident?
About the accidents, yeah. If you want to have an accident, come to Raymond. Ah, so these are the old ones, right?
Yeah, we still use them if they are very good, the people. But for
yeah, so the thing is that I wanted to try this one time, but there is a maximum of like 100 kilos or something.
yeah, the computer will lock out.
So that's
but
why.
These ones 140 is fine.
Okay, so then I should do that one time. So yeah, so this is Raymond's shop. And I want to show you upstairs because there is the cooking school that I told you about. And so actually the cooking school is for private cooking classes, but you can also do a corporate, right?
A lot of corporate, more corporate than
okay. So
individual.
How many people can you handle then normally?
Well, we've done 50, 55.
Okay.
But with big events it's fun, you know.
Yeah.
But they don't come to cook, they just come to drink.
cook and drink, the best combination.
Well,
can I have a look upstairs, sir?
Yeah, it's all these stressed out executives, you know, that want to have a night out.
Yeah.
Help yourself, yeah?
So cooking is just the reason to drink, right?
Yeah. Who wants to cook, man?
So here you see you have also this apron. So if you come here for a corporate event, then you can get aprons. You have to pay extra for that, Raymond? Yeah, so here you can have the class. And basically you have a teacher. It's a very lovely Thai lady. And she just gives all the examples. So first of all, you go and buy the ingredients on the market here in front. And then after that, you go and do a cooking class. So you'll cook your own bought ingredients. It's really, really, really cool actually. I mean, I did it a couple of years ago. And yeah, it's one of these extra things in Bangkok that you can do that you don't really think too much about. But yeah, of course, especially if you want to learn a little bit about the Thai culture, it's really cool. So I can definitely recommend that. And there is also a combination, so you can do a cooking class and then also combine it with the scooter. And the scooters you can do there's a tour, and the tour goes through Chinatown. So I don't know if you guys saw my video that I made the other day about Chinatown. So that's one of the destinations where you go to then. So okay. Hey, so with the scooter tour, do you also still have the one with the boat, with the Klong boat?
Yeah.
Okay, so you go with the scooter then to the river?
Yeah.
Can you explain a little bit?
There on the wall.
Ah, okay.
The route is there.
Ah, okay.
That route is way further down to the west, so it's not on there. Ah,
Hello, Chloe.
you just got me a rose.
Oh, so nice.
I'm getting red cheeks.
So this is Chloe, Raymond's daughter. Oh, that's for me? Ah, thank you so much.
Yeah, we would go from where we are, Bang Rak,
Yeah,
along the river. This is where all the old settlements are.
yeah.
Cross the river here by scooter. And we go up a little bit further and get into the canal to the west,
Okay,
about 8 kilometers.
okay.
And there it's all farmland,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
small
yeah.
paths. And then
Cool.
hang out there for about an hour and a half, 2 hours.
Harry Potter.
Harry, you're rude.
Okay. Yeah, so as you guys can see, I mean, if you want to do a nice day out, I mean, this is really,
What's that? What's that?
I mean, this is really something special. And also at the moment, there's, I mean, you're really focusing on the local market now, Raymond, right?
There's no foreign here, so we
Exactly.
promote everything for domestic market.
Yeah, yeah. So,
Got to do something, right?
Yeah.
Pay the rent.
no, and it's good. So at the moment, if you would come here, you get some nice discounts. So
70% off.
70% off. So if you come now, don't wait until next year when everybody's back.
I'm
Just-
not sure I got that.
Well, let's hope. Yeah, so and as you can see, there's a really cool market here also. And the market is mostly in the morning. So now the market is closed. Here you go and buy your ingredients. And then later you cook it. Okay, let me see if I can focus on. Yeah, that's me and Mirella, but we're in the in the middle of the light. You cannot really see it. Anyway, yeah, so I can definitely recommend to come and have a look at Raymond's shop, and it's called Go Bangkok Tours, and they are open daily. And you can go to the website. I will put it in the description downstairs. And then yeah, feel free to connect with him. Everything. How does he have COVID or not? No.
32.
32. Okay, that's good. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video as always, and feel free to subscribe, and see you guys in my next video.